Frequency response of common source amplifier. We'll be constructing a source follower and determine its frequency response curve and its bandwidth. The following are the components required for the circuit design. So here we'll be using a field effect transistor BFW10 along with other resistors and capacitors. Field effect transistors have the advantage over bipolar transistors of having an extremely high input impedance along with a low noise output, making them ideal for use in amplifier circuits that have very small input signals. The JFET gate voltage VG is biased through the potential divider network set up by resistors R1 and R2 and is biased to operate within its saturation region, which is equivalent to the active region of the bipolar junction transistor. The input signal of the common source JFET amplifier is applied between the gate terminal and the 0-volt rail. When the JFET is switched fully on, a voltage drop equal to Rs into ID is developed across this resistor, raising the potential of the source terminal above 0-volt or ground level. This voltage drop across Rs due to the drain current provides the necessary reverse biasing condition across the gate resistor R2, effectively generating negative feedback. So, in order to keep the gate source junction reverse biased, the source voltage Vs needs to be higher than the gate voltage. This is the circuit diagram of common source amplifier. So we'll be noting down the output voltage as we vary the frequency and tabulate it and calculate the gain. This is the model graph of the frequency response we'll be obtaining.
In this video, we are going to see the frequency response of common source amplifier. The connections are given in the breadboard as per the circuit diagram. Here we have used the FET BFW10. This is the source terminal of the FET. This is the gate. This is the drain and this is the substrate. So the connections are given according to the circuit diagram. To verify the frequency response, we will be varying the frequency from this function generator. This is the output of common source amplifier. So now let's see how the output changes as we vary the frequency. See, when we vary the frequency, the amplitude increases when we are increasing the frequency. So now when the frequency is approximately 3.8 kilohertz, this is the output waveform. The amplitude is 1.6 volt. Now let's check by varying the frequency. When the frequency is increased to around 380 kilohertz, we can see the increase in voltage. So the voltage is now 2.6 volt. Now further, if we increase the frequency to 3000 kilohertz, we can see the increase in the voltage. Now the voltage has increased to about 4.4 volts. The voltage gain is calculated for each frequency setting and plotted on the graph. Thus, the frequency response is plotted for source follower circuit.